What?
I need new clothes.
Why?
Because I don't like this.
A little bit of this sea salt spray. It's good for texturizing as well. But I already put some of it in there.
Beautiful.
We're gonna go to a little place called Shem Creek, which is a really cool area here in Mount Pleasant. My good friend Micah is celebrating his 33rd birthday, so we're gonna go have a little lunch with them. So yeah, let's do this.
Hey, buddy.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
What?
Two sleeping girls. How are ya?
Hey, guys. How do I start now? I can get through one and
game changer we had.
oh snap.
We got a little game changer.
He didn't tell me that part.
If you ever visit Charleston, you have to get the infamous game changer from Home Team BBQ. It is literally like highway to the danger zone. So we're just gonna have a small one.
It'll change your game.
Literally.
Literally.
Freezing cold beach because it is cold today. We weren't expecting it to be this cold, and you need to warm your blood, right? So it's where we go get a game changer. Are you ordering a pizza?
Yeah. From Baroni. Our favorite. That's not right.
Say what?
She already had our receipt printed out for us. And then they were like, we were a little concerned that you didn't order any ranches. I was like, oh my god. I said, Ben's trying to cut down on the ranch intake. Don't worry, we'll be back on that train again soon.